Hello everyone, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel SG Job Portal. So today I have come up with a fresh new job vacancy notification. So what is the eligibility criteria, what are the skills you must have, and what is the last date of application? To know all the things, stay tuned with the video till end. At the end of this video I will be sharing the direct HR executive's contact number and mail ID to schedule your interview manually. So stay tuned with the video till end. Let's get started. So here you can see that the company name is Smart Call Center Solutions Private Limited. It is a captive BPO and IT company. This company is situated at Shakespeare Soroni nearby Moydan Metro Station. So all the Kolkata based male and female candidates are requested to apply for this drive. They can apply for this drive anytime by scheduling their interview with contacting the HR of this company. So the corporate identity number of this company is U72900 WB 2006. So here we can see that the date of incorporation of this company is 2006 and it is registered in the state of West Bengal, and its registration number is 108745. So you can manually check this corporate identity number and authenticity of this company by going to the MCA Ministry of Corporate Affairs website from central government. So the skills you must have, that you must be able to very much, so the skills you must have, that you have to be very much proficient in English language, and you have to uh, and you have to and you must have excellent communication skill in English, and you have to be very good attitude person, and problem solving skills you must have, because as you are as you will be working as an executive in this company, so problem solving skills of you is a very important skill to attain for this interview and going for this company. So the education is, if you are 10 pass then you are eligible, if you are 12 pass then also you are eligible, and if you are graduate and freshers, like if you are 2020 graduates and 2021 graduates, no matter what is it, and you are also experienced, then you can apply for this drive. The vacancy drive is still going on. You can call the direct HR executive and schedule your interview manually. So the salary expectation is like, if you are if you will join the company as an executive, then your salary will be up to 15,000, and incentives will be paid extra on your salary. And if you are going to join this company as a team leader, then you can earn 30,000 monthly, and incentives will be paid extra on your salary. So incentives will be paid weekly, monthly, or daily basis. So that's it. And there are basically two shifts, like evening shifts are there and night shifts are there. So night shifts will be from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. and evening shifts is like 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So whenever you are able to join, you can join. But remember one thing, if you are going to join as a part-timer, then you have to choose evening shift, and if you are going to join as a full-time employee, then you can join as night shift. You can join in night shift. So here it is HR executive's mail ID. So you can drop your updated CV to this mail ID, and you can apply for this job. Remember one thing, when you are going to give your interview to HR, then please mention our YouTube channel's name SG Job Portal to HR sir or madam. So that's it. So these are the things. So if you are interested to join as an employee of this company, and if you are interested to get the contact number of HR executive, then please do comment in our comment section as PH number, hashtag PH number, and hashtag SG job portal. So I will pin the HR executives contact number in our comment section. And you also can join our YouTube channel's WhatsApp group, personalized WhatsApp group, to get all the job notifications earlier, so that you can apply for the vacancy drive earlier than others. So that's it. See you soon in our next video. Till then, stay ahead, believe in yourself, keep it up, and thank you.